What's going on, guys? This is going to be an introduction to my YouTube channel, a little bit of a start and background of what we got going on here with this channel and what this channel is going to be about. So this channel is kind of going to be a little bit of vlog style stuff, pretty much, you know, car related stuff, maybe an overview of tools and the shop building that I built. So we're going to get right in. I'm going to kind of start off with the cars I have. The builds we got going on, just so you guys are kind of aware with starting off coming into this channel, is at a baseline of where we're at. I'm going to start with probably the main vehicle that's going to be on this channel. It's a 2000 Trans Am. I got about 4 years ago. Started off completely bone stock when I had it. Built it 6.0. Had a 6.0. T56 nitrous big cam car, made like 500 horsepower. Blew that engine up, swapped over to a 5.3 all aluminum L33 Gen 4 rods, Gen 4 pistons, and then went turbo 400 with the trans brake while we're at it. So that went nitrous. Had troubles with it. Ended up only going like 1154, like 128, so pretty fast mile an hour, but just couldn't get anything. You know, the first 300 foot of the passes were really bad. So now it's turbo car. It's a 5.3 still, same engine, Gen 4, Gen rods, pistons and everything. It's got a 7875 from VS Racing, just a billet wheel, Gen 2 turbo, turbo 400 with a hipster trans brake in it, Hurst shifter. Car's got a strange rear diff, S60. It's on a 28x10 ET Street Pro Radial. This car we took to the track once. I was just having a terrible time, went 1170s on 9 pounds. At 128, just terrible 60 foots, couldn't come into boost on the Took out the stall, sent it off to PTC about 2 weeks ago. That should be coming back next week, and I'll have a video of that install and kind of a process of what a turbo 400 swap on these cars is like, and we'll get more in depth on at that time. So then on to the next car in the fleet, and that is a 2005 Cadillac CTS-V. I bought this about a year ago this time. As a daily driver. Dealer didn't know much about it. Got the VIN from the dealership and figured out the past history on this car. It was originally a test mule for Whipple. It had a 3.3 liter Whipple on it, and they popped 2 stock engines in this car. Finally built a 383 with a billet crank, H-beam rods, and forged pistons. And now it's just an NA car, and it's my daily driver. So we'll get more into that build at a later time. I'm not for sure when that video will pop up, but more we're going to work on is the Trans Am right now in the videos. So guys, this is a video just kind of explaining what this channel is going to be about. I know it's not very long, but I just wanted to kind of get a startup video before we dabble in a bunch of projects here that are going to be starting up. Got a couple trans swaps, a new torque converter coming in, a nitrous install, F-body engine drop. We're going to do a how-to video on that, since there's not really any great ones online, and I know a lot of people ask for info and help on how to drop a F-body transit engine, you know, drop the cradle and everything. In this channel we're probably going to get into, you know, track days, you know, maybe a little bit of tuning, stuff like that, and then, you know, just prices and how-to videos on, you know, working on these cars and building these cars. And, you know, I hope you guys like this. It's my first time, so, you know, any help's appreciated. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and give me some feedback, please. That'd be awesome for you guys. Thanks. See you guys later.
About to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I gotta chance to break now. Yeah, I fucking